birthday money. Uncle, Aunt Money, Uncle Matt, Great Grandma, Great Grandpa. I'm gonna spend it all at once.
What would you like to buy, Autumn?
I want some Legos!
That will be all your money.
There you go. Something's wrong.
Let's try that again.
Here you go. Something's wrong. Something's wrong.
Hold on.
Something's wrong. Something's wrong. Something's wrong. Thanks a lot, Great Grandma, and Great Granddad, and Aunt Lenny and Uncle Matt.
Hold on. Alright, wait. Wait.